Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unlike all liked videos on TikTok at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. Then right here tap at profile and then tap at this heart icon. That shows you all the videos that you have ever liked on TikTok. You can go through all of that videos, and unfortunately there are no option to unlike all these videos at once in one click. But you can tap at any of that videos and then just hit at this highlighted heart icon to unlike that video. Then you can swipe up and TikTok will show you all your liked videos in a row, so you will be able to unlike any videos one by one in that simple way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.